If you want to create a beautiful Mother's Day brunch invitation, I'll show you how to create one step by step without starting from scratch. Let's start by choosing a pre-made design. This just makes everything faster and easier, especially if you're starting from scratch. First thing I'm going to do is remove these flowers because we're going to add something new later. Now let's rearrange the text a bit to give this a fresh layout. You can also tweak the wording if you want, but that part is totally optional. I'm also going to update the heading to make it stand out a little more. And now let's make sure everything is nicely centered. You can always use the alignment tool to make this super quick and clean. Let's also modify this part enough so it feels really different from the original design. These are all very simple changes. You don't need to be an expert to make something look completely new. Let's do one last check to make sure everything is aligned and all the text, including the heading, looks good. All right, time to find a new graphic. I'm going to search for flowers. Let's see what we have here. These are really pretty. I'll place them into the design and adjust the size and position until it feels right. I might try adding them to the top corners too. So everything matches the new graphic and feels more cohesive. Actually, that looks a bit off. This feels much better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what kind of templates do you want to see next?